what you're looking at right now is the most bullish chart in cryptocurrencies. Let me just show you. This token right here, less than 1 year, 357 days, this token is up over 130,000% in less than a year. That's right. This is an AXS Infinity token. And let me just tell you, if you had $1 back here, okay, not even 1 year ago, if you had $1 in AXS token, guess what? That token is over, not sorry, that position of $1 is worth over $1,300. Not even 1 year, guys. I know this type of performance is very rare in crypto, but it just shows you the strength of AXS. And I'll tell you what, it's not over yet. It is definitely not over yet. I know that for a fact. It's not an if, but when, and I'll show you why. You guys can see this is a weekly chart. What we are seeing here is there are times when we go up, right, over here, and then we're just going sideways like this, going up and then going sideways, right, going up, going sideways, maybe down a little bit. That's fine. But look what happens. That's fine. Now let's just go into the daily chart to see a close-up action of this. Okay. So when we go into the daily chart, we're seeing the exact same thing. We're having all-time highs, right? The highest priced AXS token has ever been, and then we're just going sideways for many weeks, right? Which is perfectly normal, because what that means is who is selling? Why is no one selling? And here's the answer. So there's a staking contract, right? You can earn this APR on it. Again, most traditional saving banks, they don't even give you 1%, okay? Maybe 2% if you're lucky. So you're getting over 100, you're getting over 100 times the rate as like a regular bank. Why would you bother putting your money inside of some weird bank and they only give you not even like 1/1000th of this? That's crazy, right? So where's the selling pressure going? Well, there is a lot of tokens locked up. There's over $2.4 billion worth of just AXS tokens locked up in here. And here's another part where it's locked up too. So as you guys know, when you're breeding, you have to send tokens, AXS tokens, right, for the breeding costs. Well, they all go inside of this one, right? And this one has about $2.5 billion, right? So there's almost 40 million tokens just locked up, right? No one's touching it, no one's bothering to sell it, everyone's just gaining yield on it. That's perfectly fine. So if we go back to this chart, who is selling? There's not many people who are selling, right? When people do sell, I mean, the price does come down, but look, they're exhausted, just like in SLP. They're exhausted, and that all it does is just tells the bulls, it just signals to us that, hey, there's not a lot of sellers left, so guess what? We can have some fun. We can just go up. We can just green dodo. That's perfectly fine, right? That's exactly what we want to see. So yes, I will put my words behind it. But again, not financial advice, guys. Definitely not financial advice. This is uncontested, one of the most bullish charts in cryptocurrency right now. There's nothing that can really match this performance within, it hasn't even been 1 year yet. We got one more week before the anniversary of the token. And you know what? When that DEX comes, that would be a perfect time. But hey, that's just speculation. Let's look at the SLP for a little bit, right? SLP a little bit more rocky. This is the weekly chart, but it's fine. Let's take a look at the daily chart, right? So right now we are currently in a descending wedge, right? All this means is we have lower highs and lower lows. Perfectly fine. Usually these do end up breaking an upward pattern, and guess what? We could be forming what they call a double bottom, which looks like a W, right? You guys know how a W looks like this? Well, look, we have something almost like that. Here's one portion of the bottom, right? And if the other side of this starts coming up, right, we can make a W over here, right? There's one. Here's one portion of the W right here. Obviously, it's not just gonna go straight up like that, right? But I'm just saying, if we get two bottoms, like here's one part of the W, the second part of the W, that looks pretty good, right? So that's what we call a double bottom. Again, I'm not trying to predict the future. All I'm saying is that when the DEX comes out, I can definitely see demand for both of these tokens, right? Not only SLP, but AXS also, just for the same reasons. They need liquidity. They just need liquidity. And it's as simple as that. And I can promise you, just from today's candle, I can definitely tell you, there are people who are interested, right? They're speculating. They're getting ready. They're trying to be the first people to buy SLP before it goes up to like 10 cents, 12 cents, right? They're waiting. But there are more people who are selling it, which is fine, right? You have to manage your risk. So just be careful. So yes, I am still bullish on SLP 100%, right? Again, I'm not saying it has to go up. I'm just saying that the patterns, the technicals, they look great. Even the fundamentals look decent for SLP, right? When the DEX comes out, a lot of people are going to go crazy, right? We also have to look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Wow, Bitcoin might be having some issues, but it's okay. You know, we just broke all-time highs here, and we took out all the shorts, right? All the shorts got squeezed. We came back down. We squeezed out all the longs, right? And we're just, you know, I can't say it on YouTube, but we're shaking out the market, which is great because we don't want too much, you know, leverage in the market. So again, always pay attention to Bitcoin, but you know, just to sum the video up, this is definitely one of the most bullish charts. You guys should respect this. If I was a scholar, not financial advice, I would definitely take, you know, whatever I have left over after I pay my, you know, living expenses, help my family. I would buy some of this. I would throw it in here, and I would just wait every day, come back and stake it. You know, it's not that hard. If I had SLP, same thing. I would sell about 50%, maybe buy some of this token, maybe buy some Ethereum, right? Ethereum is also a really good pick, right? And then Bitcoin is definitely always a good pick, usually most of the times, right? But hey, look at Doge, right? Doge is doing great. All right, so that's all I have for today. Hope you guys have a great day, great weekend, and guess what? CGC is going to be crossing 61 scholars, hopefully by the time this video is out. So, you know, if you guys want to apply, there's going to be a link down there. Make sure you go to my Twitter. Make sure you follow my Twitter. All the information for the next application for Class 12 will be there. So, hey, hope to see you guys apply. Hope to see you guys on the Discord. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe. Smash the subscribe button. Hit the like button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.